Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. And today we are taking the Vanderhall out for a pretty long drive. It is going to be very hot because it's already like 90 plus degrees in Texas. It's currently like, let's see. It's 78 out there right now. So it's not horrible, but it's pretty humid because Texas. But we're going to take the Vanderhall out and get a little time with it. Vandertail still holding on strong because, you know, it's bolted on, so how can you go wrong? We're also going to test out something new. There's a little screen right there. That is for a camera system that I've put in. There's a little camera hidden back here. It's looking out the back. See it right there? And then I've got one in the front. Boom! Little guy right there. So I put this little camera system in yesterday or day before, whatever day it was. And we're going on some long drives. Wanted to be able to have a dash cam set up just in case anything happens, of course. But it might be kind of neat footage. It does 1080p. We'll see how good the footage turns out. I'm going to take some of that and put it in this video today that it records, assuming it all works, because I haven't really tested it. I installed it and turned it on, and it all appears to work, but I don't really know. So we'll find out. And if it's awesome, then we'll go through and we'll talk about what it is and how I installed it and stuff. We'll do that in some other video. But today I'm going to go out and test it kind of the first time ever and see what it's like. And I'll show you the footage from that. So we got to go over to Hank's. At least I think I'm going to go to Hank's. I texted him. He didn't answer me yet. But he's on my way to where we're going. So I'm going to stop at his house unless he tells me not to before I get there. Sometimes I just surprise him. So I got to hop in the car, get it warmed up a little bit, and head on out. So we'll see you there. Well, always waiting on Hank. No Cammy today. Unfortunate. Sad. It's hard to work that garage door opener, huh?
I think I got a weak battery.
Ah.
My alarm's going off.
Mess. Yeah. I want everybody to go. I want video from behind. Catch up to them and all that fun stuff that I always do. I want everybody in front of me. New cameras are working good so far. I know you can't see anything down there, but so far so good. Yeah, it's already pretty hot today. I'm already sweating. The sun's not even really out. It's behind the clouds, thankfully. But it's gonna be a hot one today, boys. Here we go.
When we passed the sign that said Nakona and Spanish Short, I was listening to 7 Spanish Angels by Ray Charles, and I'm not
How fitting, Hank.
Did you
That
catch?
is
Did you get that?
awesome.
We got it.
Okay, Jack.
7 Spanish. Well, I'm about to be off of this thing so nobody look.
Okay.
Brian's gonna probably do
I'll just set the
Are you gonna
camera
say the old
pointed
Arkansas
away from you, I
joke?
swear.
The
wanna-
water's
what,
cold. Yeah, it's deep.
What?
I was just gonna point the camera away from Billy.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
no big deal.
Do it.
It's not recording or anything, it's fine.
This car to go, dude.
Stage fright. Well,
Alright, that was a fun little stop. It's way too hot sitting here, so we're leaving. Chad's car is so loud. So loud. Yeah. We're safe, that's for sure. Okay.
well, I don't know about that.
Well, we're safer than we would be without you. Really? Cooler upstairs, he says. Is it cooler upstairs or downstairs?
There's an air conditioner up there.
So we're good either way. All right. We're going up the secret stairway to the VIP lounge. Brian's never been up here, so we don't know what to expect. We didn't know what to expect before he said that too. It's not bad. Especially when you stand right here. There's the spot. We're gonna move our table to right here. I'm just gonna use this bar as my table. Sarah, what is this wonderful article of clothing you found? It's nice. Oh, Hank gave it to you, huh?
Yeah.
That's real nice.
Keep an eye out
Real
for my
nice.
Vanderpeeps.
Hank knows how to keep me in style.
Yeah, well, if you were real trendy, you wouldn't have, your shorts wouldn't show below that.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah,
Right?
listen, I
That
don't
way it
know.
looks
Now,
like
is that
you're.
better?
Yeah, that's
I don't
how
know
the girls
well
wear
this is
it
gonna
now.
Translate
Yeah.
to video, but it's 103 degrees out here.
It's
and
not.
we're all sizzling like bacon.
It's not. It's
That's
a nice.
probably-
It's like a nice
that's
78 degrees. It's fine. These are just wimps over here.
Nope.
Oh, no wimps. Nuh-uh. It is hot.
It's not hot.
72 degrees year round in Texas.
As Chad, you know, lathers up. And we are back from another amazing day. A hot day. Very hot, as a matter of fact. I'm melting, actually, as I speak. Vanderhall did great. My body, not so much. Definitely hot today. But, man, it's hot. I'm going to go shower. It's only going to get hotter. Our upcoming rides, we've got a car show on the 26th, Connor's car show. That's going to be a hot day. Definitely taking the Renetto chair that day, so we can have some shade while we're chilling, and some drinks. and then our ride in July is probably going to be brutal. It's like 17 hours each way up to South Dakota to Deadwood, and it's going to be hot. If it's already hot right now, I can't imagine in July, unless we get lucky and there's a cold front that comes through that week or something, but I don't know. I don't expect it. So gonna work on, we actually were goofing around. I mean, I was goofing around today about doing one of those little $45, $50 portable portable air conditioners. They're really not air conditioners. They just take like ice water and blow it across you. It's like a fan hooked up to a little ice water tank or whatever. But they're USB, so they don't use a lot of energy. They say they run like 7 or 8 hours on a charge. I mean, obviously you're gonna have to put more ice in it more often than that, but I think I'm gonna get one of those and test it out and like find a way to mount it in the back in the little storage area back here and run like a tube out or something and into my shirt. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna look into some little things like that to take on our ride in July and see if I can make it a little more comfortable, because every time we stop for fuel, get a little bit more ice, you know, or whatever, get a cup full of ice, dump it in there, or, you know, maybe obviously bring a little cooler full of ice, I don't know, something, and just refill it and see if it goes. It's got to be better than nothing, right? So we'll see how that goes. That'll be in an upcoming video. I'll probably, assuming this footage on the video from the little dash cam does well, I'll do a little update on that and which exactly it is and how I installed it and all that stuff. Pretty simple, straightforward. Anyways, so that's it for today. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.